In today's quick and very simple video, I want to be unboxing my MTN 4G Pocket MiFi and also show you how you can use it, and at the same time show you how you can connect this MiFi to your phone and to your laptop. Okay, now let's get in. So guys, I just bought this MTN Pocket MiFi and let's see how it looks inside. Okay, now to unbox it, everywhere is sealed except here. Just come here, open it from here. In case this is the first time knowing about MiFi, just pay attention because I'll be showing you how you can unbox it, use it, all the key features, and also at the same time how you can connect to your phone and to your laptop. Okay, so we'll bring this one out. Everything comes packed. You can see MTN broadband. You can also call it MTN broadband 4G MiFi. It comes with a SIM card. This is not the one that you can use several SIM cards, just only one SIM card. I think here's the manual. Everything here. Here's the charger. It comes with a charger, Type-C charger, where you can charge it. Okay, from this way. Okay, here's the MiFi. Let me remove it. Look at it here, MTN MiFi. I just got it newly. It's brand new. I don't know why it's looking so rough. Nigeria self. Inside the carton. Okay, just the battery. Here's the battery. They call it Lion battery. I think it's a very good battery. Okay, now let's see. So guys, if this is your first time seeing a MiFi, this is actually an MTN 4G Pocket MiFi. They call it Pocket MiFi in the sense that you can put it on your pocket and go with it wherever you want to go to. So it is portable and movable. You can just take it along with you. You can see it, right? So now this MiFi, look at, or listen, they come in different designs. So if you are seeing this one on this design, you could get another one that looks in a bit different from this one, but it still functions the same. So they all come in different designs. I've seen the ones whereby the charging port here will be here by the side. So they all come in different designs. Okay, so for this very one here, just pay attention that you will see how you can use it. Okay, now let me start. To begin with, I will open it. Let's see how it is inside. To open it, look at here. Just come here. Okay, here's the cover. 4G. All right, you can see here is the inside MTN broadband 4G MiFi, and it comes with a SIM plug, one SIM plug, and also a memory slot whereby I can insert a memory card and use it. Okay, and you can see now this information is very important. So if you got it newly, please make sure that you come here and look for your password and other information. So here's the password, the default Wi-Fi password. That if you want to connect to your phone, to your laptop, you will use this password here, but later you can change it anyway. But this is the default password, how it comes. Okay, now let's start with, okay, now it comes, look at the SIM card. All right, here's the SIM card. Now let me tell you, if you are going to buy this MiFi, either you're going to MTN office directly, or you're going to any office or any shop that sells this and register SIM card. Now if you buy this MiFi, they will register this SIM card for you with your N9 number and your name, your date of birth, in fact your details. Okay, so and after that, I think it comes with a 30 gig bonus. But for my own, seriously, I didn't see any 30 gig, even though the 30 gig was being activated. Up till now, I haven't received it. I haven't seen it. I don't know, but later I will check and see what's the problem. So that is the SIM card, and it is a micro SIM. Let me open it. Look at. Okay, it's a micro SIM. So for now, you need only this one. Now how do you slot SIM card inside? To slot SIM card inside, take the device here, take it. Right here is the SIM slot. So just come here and just, it's locked. Come here and just shift up and it open. You can see it right now. Bring your SIM card. To put it, you won't put it like this, so not like this. So turn it this way, so it goes inside this way, like this. This way. Just do it gently, then cover it, press it and drag it like this. Drag like this. So the SIM card has entered. You can see it right. So now, as I said, this password, take note of this password because you will use it later. Or let me go and get a pen and write it down for now. Okay, if I write the password down, I'll put it here. Now I'll bring the battery. Look at how do I put the battery. I'll bring it this way and put it here. Then bring the cover. And click it. You can see it right. Now after here, how do I on it? To on it, look here, you can see here, here's the power button, here's the power sign. So I just come here and press and hold it for like 3 seconds. You see it's on. You can see it right, but it's still on. And just with a bit, you will see all these ones will turn green. Okay, it's on, but you can see here is showing red. Red here means that there's no connection, there's no internet connection, or probably maybe the SIM card was not put where. So if you're seeing this red here, means that maybe there's no connection, no network, or no service, or probably the SIM card was not well placed. So we can always go there and check your SIM card and make sure that it is well placed. So maybe later, if I'm trying to connect it later, I will know. Okay, so after here, now how do you charge it? To charge it, now bring your this is type C cable. Okay, remove it. You can slot this on your laptop or on your, maybe in your charger head. Then bring this one here and put it here. If you put it here, this battery light here will be blinking green like this. You can see it right. So once it is done charging, the light will stop blinking. It will stop showing the green light without blinking again. Okay, so that you can charge it. So now how do you connect this to your phone? Now to connect this to my phone, okay, I'll now bring my phone. Here's my Techno phone. Okay, now you can see right now it's on. If I tap here, you can see it's on, but this red light is showing that there's no connection or no network or thereabout. Okay, now let's see. I'll bring my phone here. Since it's on, I'll swipe my phone and come to Wi-Fi. Tap on Wi-Fi. I can tap and hold it and go to settings. You can see here is the MTN 4G. Here is the Wi-Fi name. So I just tap on it here. If I tap on it, they will not ask for my password. So as I said, copy the password down so that you won't have to come here again and open the battery and look for the password. Here's the default password, after which you can change it later. Okay, so I'll come here and enter the password. If I enter the password, I'll come here and tap on this connect. You see connecting. Okay, you can see that connected, no internet. So as I said, because it is showing the red light here, means there is no internet. So probably if you're seeing this, there are two things involved. Probably the SIM card was not well placed. So you can always open it and make sure that you put the SIM card at the appropriate position. Okay, so then you will see internet connection. Now let me go and do it and come back so that I will show you. So guys, right now you can see that this very light here is showing green. This network light is showing green now. I can see on my phone here is showing connected, and you can see here no internet because the whole light here are showing green. You can see it right now. Let me show you. Here is the battery light, is showing green. If battery is low, it will be showing red. So here is the network light, is showing green. So it's showing that there is connection. And here is the Wi-Fi light, is showing green. So it's showing that the Wi-Fi also connected. So if I bring my phone here, you can see that it is connected as well. You can see everything is green. So if you experience this problem whereby the light is showing red here, so what you do is that just come here, or you can also press it and hold it and off it. Off it. If you off it, now come here and open the battery. You can see the SIM card. Try to place it at the appropriate position, because if that light is showing, because if this light is showing red, in most cases it means that the SIM card there is nowhere placed. So always place it at the appropriate position. Okay, after that, come here and put in your battery and on it back, and you see that your light will be showing green. Now let's see. You can see here is no more. Okay, now let's see. Okay, wait and see. It's on. It's showing red. It will turn to green very soon. You can see it has turned green. So, and very soon here will be connected automatically. See connecting. It's come. Okay, you can see it's obtaining. It's coming. You can see it connected, and here's the Wi-Fi here. You can see it, right? So that is it. That's how you can actually connect your MTN Wi-Fi to your phone. And same way happens to laptop. Now let me show you how you can do it to laptop too. Okay, so now to connect to your laptop, almost similar thing, just you do the same exact step as you did on your phone. So here's my laptop. So just come here, laptop, on this internet area here. You can see, tap on it. If you tap on it, since the Wi-Fi is on, you will see here's the MTN 4G Wi-Fi. So just tap and select it, and you can see here connect. Tap on connect, and they will ask you to put the password. But for me, since I've used it before, or password, just enter your password. Just enter this password here and connect. You can see it has connected. But since I had used before here, so that's why I see that it's actually connecting automatically. So that is it. So guys, for today's video, that is it. That you can actually connect your Wi-Fi to your phone and to your laptop. Thank you guys, and bye.